How to easily get 0.5 camera on Snapchat in Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Here, if there is no option of 0.5, click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the gear icon here, scroll down and click on Bugs and Suggestions. Then click on Report a Bug, which is the first option. After you click on Report a Bug, you will find this kind of screen. Here, press on Camera at the top. After you press on Camera at the top, you'll find this kind of screen here. Click on Select Topic at the bottom. After you click on Select Topic at the bottom, you'll find different options pop up. Click on Camera Features. After you click on Camera Features, now you can type in your issue. You can type in "My account does not have access to ultra-wide camera feature. Please fix this problem," and press on Submit at the bottom. After you press on Submit, Snapchat will get back to you and you will get 0.5 camera. This is how to easily get 0.5 camera on Snapchat in Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.